It's AumSum time!
What if flowers disappeared?
I don't need flowers. I smell so good.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if flowers disappeared, on Rose Day, people might start giving each other apples instead of roses. Secondly, flagrance of a flower is an extremely critical component of a perfume. If flowers disappeared, perfume industry will be in for a complete shock. Thirdly, flowers are used for decorative purposes during marriages and functions. If flowers disappeared, decorations would feel incomplete without them. Fourthly, if flowers disappeared, people will miss flowers so much that sale of artificial flowers will skyrocket. Fifthly, all fruits develop from flowers. If flowers disappeared, even fruits will disappear. There will be a severe food crisis all around the world. Lastly, flowers are an extremely important source of nectar. If flowers disappeared, bees as well as humans who love honey will be mightily disappointed.
What if we planted 1,000,000,000,000 trees?
I will eat 1,000,000,000 burgers.
Oh, AumSum. There are about 3,000,000,000,000 trees on Earth right now, so planting 1,000,000,000,000 trees would increase that number by 33%. The impact will definitely be positive for Earth as well as all the living things. But this will not immediately solve the climate change problem. Firstly, freeing up so much land for planting trees seems like a mammoth task. Secondly, these trees would take a number of years to grow big enough to make any meaningful contribution towards reducing carbon dioxide from air. Thirdly, if we do nothing about emissions and keep on adding carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, then by the time trees grow, we would have added more than 1 trillion tons of carbon dioxide, thus nullifying the effects of these trees. So, plantation of trees plus cutting emissions are the need of the hour.
What if salt disappeared?
No problem. I can make everything tasty with a snap of my finger.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if salt disappeared, oceans would suddenly turn into fresh water sources. Suddenly, there will be excess water available worldwide for drinking, bathing, etc. Secondly, salt is crucial to human health as it is the main source of sodium as well as chlorine ions in human diet. If salt disappeared, there will be severe health consequences. Thirdly, since ages, salt has been used as a cheap as well as an effective food preservative. If salt disappeared, people may have to use expensive alternatives for food preservation. Fourthly, salt makes everything taste better. If salt disappeared, our favorite foods may not taste that good anymore. Lastly, salt is critical in the manufacturing of plastics, polyvinyl chloride, paper pulp, etc. If salt disappeared, chemical industry will be in for a complete shock.
What if gold disappeared?
No problem. I will give diamonds to everyone.
Wow, AumSum. Firstly, countries around the world have trillions of dollars of gold reserves. If gold disappeared, the world will suddenly become very poor. Secondly, if gold disappeared, prices of diamonds, silver, titanium, as well as other precious metals will suddenly touch the sky. Thirdly, if gold disappeared, jewelers all around the world may have to shut their shops. Fourthly, many people invest a lot of their personal savings in gold jewelry or gold coins. If gold disappeared, people might lose a huge portion of their personal fortune. Fifthly, if gold disappeared, gold mining companies will have to start looking for other precious metals. Sixthly, if gold disappeared, overall spending on jewelry will reduce. Husbands might be a little relieved while wives might get extremely upset. Lastly, if gold disappeared, demand for artificial jewelry will shoot up. What if gyms disappeared?
Oh no! I exercise every day. What will I do?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if gyms disappeared, bodybuilding shows like Mr. Olympia may have to shut down. Secondly, if gyms disappeared, gym trainers as well as gym owners will have to look for other opportunities. Thirdly, some people have a passion for exercising as well as bodybuilding. If gyms disappeared, these people will be mightily disappointed. Lastly, gyms many a times turn out to be a common meetup place for fitness enthusiasts. If gyms disappeared, little loneliness might set in. On the flip side, firstly, if gyms disappeared, many people might start exercising out in the open or take up a sport, thus taking in more fresh and healthy air. Secondly, many people buy gym memberships but never show up after a day or two. If gyms disappeared, that money may be put to better use. What if our hair disappeared?
No problem. I have no hair. I am wearing a wig.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our hair disappeared, hairstylists will have to look for a new profession. Secondly, if our hair disappeared, demand for hair combs will fall while that for hair wigs will skyrocket. Thirdly, if our hair disappeared, stocks of shampoo companies will plummet as there will be no demand for shampoos. Fourthly, our hair protects us from harmful sun rays. If our hair disappeared, many people may start applying sunscreen lotion on their scalps or start wearing caps. Fifthly, if our hair disappeared, we may initially find it a little difficult to easily recognize our family and friends. Sixthly, if our hair disappeared, men sporting beard as well as a mustache will be in for a greater loss. Lastly, bald people will be the happiest of the lot. What if toys disappeared?
I don't need a toy. I am grown up.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if toys disappeared, many parents may face a hard time in keeping their kids entertained. Secondly, if toys disappeared, millions of people working in the manufacturing, distribution, as well as sales of toys will be out of jobs. Thirdly, some kids love their toy cars. Some love their favorite superhero toys. If toys disappeared, it may prove to be a little difficult to console them. Fourthly, parents will start thinking out of the box and find out unique creative ways of keeping their kids entertained. Lastly, some educational toys are used to help kids learn better. If toys disappeared, the void left behind will be hard to fill. On the flip side, if toys disappeared, it may give kids a chance of getting more involved in outdoor activities as well as sports. What if bulbs and tube lights disappeared?
No problem. I will reveal my inner glow and light everything up.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, entire world will go almost dark after sunset. Secondly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, driving after sunset, as in without street lights, would become extremely dangerous. Thirdly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people will really look forward to full moon day as nights will be much brighter on that day. Fourthly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people might go back to using candles at night. Lastly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, people might say goodbye to late night work as well as partying. On the flip side, firstly, if bulbs and tube lights disappeared, electricity bills will come down for everyone. Lastly, people will start constructing homes which make better use of natural sunlight. What if shampoos disappeared?
My hair are so soft and silky. I don't need shampoo.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if shampoos disappeared, there might be a sudden increase in dandruff for a lot of people. Secondly, people may try out different innovative methods to protect their hair. Thirdly, if shampoos disappeared, shares of a number of cosmetic companies will definitely go down. Fourthly, if shampoos disappeared, people may shower for less amount of time. A lot of water will be conserved. Lastly, if shampoos disappeared, the only people that won't get affected much will be bald people. On the flip side, firstly, some companies still test shampoos on animals. If shampoos disappeared, those animals will be relieved. Secondly, many shampoos in the market contain harmful chemicals. If shampoos disappeared, our hair may be relieved. Lastly, some people overuse shampoos. If shampoos disappeared, their hair might actually be happy.